Question 3. This is a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram showing the diameters of 19 cylindrical pipes. This is the key it's given. Find the median interquartile range of company A. Okay, so 19. 19 is a odd number. So the median is actually the 19 plus 1 by 2. That's the 10th value. This is how you find the median for odd numbers. It's n plus 1 by 2, that value. Okay, so here's how you count. This is your first value: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is your 10th value. Okay, so what does this mean? Essentially it's 0.351, right? So this is actually 0.355. So the median is actually 0.355 centimeter. Okay, now about the interquartile range for even numbers, thing is 19 numbers, how can you divide it? Basically you can exclude the 10th value. Okay, you can exclude the 10th value. There can be 9 numbers on one hand side and the other 9 numbers on the other hand side. So basically for odd numbers you will exclude the median. Okay, I excluded the median so that I can divide the data into 2 equal parts. Look, this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth value. On the other side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values, 9 on each side. So for odd numbers, this is how you do it. You basically get rid of the median and divide the data into 2 equal parts. If you are given something like an even number, like 20, for example, rather than getting rid of a certain number, just split it into 2 parts. 20 can be divided by 2, so 10 parts or 10 numbers on one side and 10 on the other side. That's it. Now about Q1 and Q2. Sorry, we found out Q2, that's the median. About Q1 and Q3. So basically Q1 is the median of the first half of the data and Q3 is the median of the second half of the data. Q1 is basically the 25th percentile, which is the midpoint of the first half. So basically in the first half we have 9 values. What's the median for the 9 values? It's basically 9 plus 1 by 2, which is the 5th value essentially. Okay, so this is the first, second, third, fourth. This is our 5th value over here. This is my Q1. On the other hand, we have 1 2 3 4 5. This is our 5th value. So that's our Q3 essentially. So IQR, the interquartile range, is basically Q3 minus Q1, which is 0.366 centimeter minus 0.348 centimeter. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. If you still don't understand, please comment down below. Also, a lot of you have been requesting S2 papers, paper 61, 62, 63, but I honestly did not have statistics 2 back in the day. I had P1, P3, S1, and S2. Sorry, I mean P1, P3, M1, and S1. So I really can't solve that actually. My bad. If we do grow in the future, I'll try to get people to solve those for you guys. Don't worry. So keep on supporting the content. All right. So that's the IQR. All right. Draw box and whisker plots for companies A and B on the grid below. Alright, so you have to provide the scaling. So let's take a look at the least value that we have. It's essentially this value, right? 0.331, and the highest value is 0.388. So essentially 0.331 and 0.388. So we need a scale from 0.33 to 0.39. Okay, so this can be 0.330. This is 0.340, 350, 60, 70, 80, 90. So that's perfect scaling, guys. .360 and 0.350. Perfect. Okay, so this is my scaling. By the way, in the mark scheme, they did it in a different way. This is basically the length or something. Diameters. So diameter in centimeter. There are 33, by the way, in the scaling, but yeah, it's 33 times 10 to the power minus 2. You could also do it that way. That's fine. I just chose to use the exact values. Okay, so for A and B, right? So 5 values are important for a box and whisker plot. The least value, the highest value, Q1, Q2, and Q3. Let's go. So I'm doing A first because I have it written over here. So basically the least value is 0.334. 0.334, that's 4 units over here, right? Okay. It's 3, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go with 4 units up and down. So here you go. This is my least value. Okay. Next one. 2 units up and down. I meant 4 in total. So Q1 is at 0.348. 0.348 over here. Here you go. Then Q2 is at 0.355. 0.355. Here you go. And 0.366. That's Q3. 66. 66 is over here. So this is my box. And about the whiskers, the last point, the highest value is at 0.374 actually. 0.374. Here you go. So we end up with this diagram for company A. This is company A. Now let's move on to company B, shall we? So the least value is 0.331, highest value is 0.388. So 0.331, 0.331. Here you go. And 0.388. Wow, that's really far away. Now the quarters are given. 0.346, 346, 352, 370. 352, damn it. 352, 370. These are honestly annoying, like drawing these graphs. Honestly, chapter 1, 2, 3 were really annoying from this one coursebook. Alright, so this is it for company B. Okay, so make a varied comparison. As you can see, the range is higher. Okay, both the interquartile range as well as the range in total, the highest value minus least value is greater for company B.
I didn't catch that.
Alright, so we could say that it's more spread out. Okay, but you cannot talk about a certain value. Okay, you cannot talk about a certain value like the range or IQR. It must be in the context of the diameters of the pipes, basically. Do you understand? Or you could talk about the central tendency. Okay, so I'm gonna give you two. So you could say that the diameters of pipes produced by company B are more spread out, okay? Basically because they have higher IQR or range. Or you could just go for the diameter of pipes produced by company A has higher central tendency. Okay, due to a higher median. Okay, in general, extremely sorry, I have a really bad cold.